Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make garlic parmesan chicken skewers. Alright, so we're going to get the chicken breast tenderloin because the tenderloin is already cut up and it's easier to dice. So we're going to go ahead and wash it and then season it. Alright, so we have the chicken and it is all cut up into chunks. And now we're going to start seasoning it. I'm going to go ahead and season the way I normally season my chicken. So that's salt. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, onion powder. It calls for garlic pepper, so we're gonna wait, garlic powder, excuse me, we're gonna wait to add that. So I have my normal seasoning. So we're gonna take olive oil and drizzle it.
No. You trying to get it.
But we're gonna stir it up so that the chicken is coated with the olive oil before we put the remaining seasoning. 1 tablespoon of Montreal chicken. There you go. Ooh! We're using grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Ooh! All right, so we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Ooh! So we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of paprika.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! You're gonna use 1/2 of tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. And since everybody doesn't like spicy stuff in my house, I'm just gonna just sprinkle some on here. I'm not gonna use a lot. All right, we're gonna stir. So yeah, look at that. That looks so good. And now we are going to add our mayo. We're gonna use 1/4 cup of mayo. So we got 1/4 cup of mayo.
Judah.
And then you're gonna mix it up. That is how it looks when you are done. Whoop, whoop. You're gonna take like a baking sheet. I've lined mine with foil to put my skewers on. You can use parchment paper, even though parchment paper starts to burn when it's over 400, but the foil is gonna be perfecto. If you have an issue with foil, spray a regular pan down and you'll be fine. We're going to grease our pan with some cooking spray. All right, you wanna go ahead and preheat your oven. We're gonna put this on 425. 425. These are some bamboo skewers. We're gonna take these and put the chicken onto the skewers. This is how the skewers look. I didn't have enough for the end, but just that 1 pack of chicken tenderloin got me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full skewers. So that's enough for a family of, well, if you get 2 apiece. So you might need 2 packs if you want to get, you know, of course, more chicken, but for this will be enough for us. Let me give you this look from this angle. The oven has officially preheated. So we're gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes. 10 minutes, we're gonna take it out and actually coat it with some butter. So let's make our garlic Parmesan butter. All right, so we need 8 tablespoons of salted butter. That will be the whole stick of butter. So we're gonna melt it in the microwave first. So put your butter in in a microwave safe dish and allow it to melt completely. All right, so we need 2 tablespoons of parsley. Here, we're gonna get 2 cloves of that. 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. We're gonna use 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is what it's gonna look like, and you're gonna mix it up. they've been in the oven for 10 minutes, and now I am putting the garlic butter on top. I'm gonna have to do all of them this way first, and then I'm gonna flip them and do the other side. We're going to flip them. Now you're gonna baste the other side after you flip. All right, so we're gonna put them in for the remaining 10 minutes. I said that we were gonna cook them for 25 minutes. The first 10 minutes you take them out and you baste them, and then you put them back in for 10 more minutes. 10 minutes, what we're gonna do now with the last 5 minutes of the chicken being in there, we're gonna turn on the broiler and let it broil a little bit so it can get dark. So you're gonna turn the broiler on high. I've taken them out the oven, and now I'm about to put some more of the butter on. So let's top it with some more butter. So we're gonna take some Parmesan cheese. I don't know if you heard me, so we're gonna repeat. We're gonna grate that over. Get some fresh grated Parmesan cheese over here. We're gonna grate that. There you have it. Garlic Parmesan Skewers. That looks so good. Looks so amazing. Good, 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 good. This is my favorite part. This is when I get to test it out. So, let's taste. They are so good. You gotta try this. Bomb. You're gonna love this.